SimPharm is a clinical pharmacology simulation technology. It replicates the professional practices of actual pharmacists working in hospitals and community, with a view to providing a consequence-driven learning platform for students. It builds on the expertise of Otago Pharmacometrics Group, who've developed computational models of drug effects that underpin clinical practice. The aim of SimPharm is to bridge the gap between classroom learning and dealing with real patients in a clinical environment. The SimPharm framework allows 4 user types: the system builder, an expert in PK/PD who develops the models that underpin the environment; the clinical case builder, a clinician who builds cases; the tutor, a clinical pharmacist teacher who assigns cases to student groups and reviews progress; and the student or students, participants who play the SimPharm game. SimPharm is run over a web interface. It can be accessed by any number of students at any time from any location. In the future, we plan to have multiple roles within SimPharm that would allow pharmacy, medical and nursing students to interact in a virtual case. When a student starts SimPharm, case materials are initially made available. The case then progresses at 1 minute of virtual time to 1 minute of real time. Students may fast forward through time, but not pause or rewind. Cases may last 3 to 5 days, and the students interact with the case 30 to 60 minutes per day. Each case has random elements that may be conditional on actions of the student. So even though many students may be assigned the same case, the case, like a chess game, quickly diverges so that it appears different each time it is played, whether by the same or a different student. The key areas students will benefit from include choosing appropriate medicines and dosing regimens, ordering laboratory tests, interacting with the virtual patient and the medical team, and experiencing the consequences of their decisions, the outcomes of the virtual patient. SimPharm permits students to take any number of actions, allowing time-sensitive feedback and consequences as part of the process. The feedback the student receives is key to the development of reflective reasoning on their clinical approach. The clinical tutor also receives feedback on how the student has performed. The tutor can either see each step of the interaction between the student and the virtual patient, or receive an overview from SimPharm about student activities. SimPharm provides a rare opportunity to see the student's clinical process and approach to problem solving. SimPharm is complementary to other simulation platforms and excels in the way it evaluates knowledge and understanding. Students are given the scope to choose from a wide range of actions on their case, which better prepares them to adjust to real clinical practice. This also facilitates a greater understanding of pharmacological effects and interactions with other medicines and conditions over time.